I'm Carmen Boix and I'm going to show you one lap of me. Now we are on the straight and we are arriving to the first corner. So we are now in 4th gear, and here I start to brake and I put fast 3 gear, and here we're still in 3 gear and we arrive at here brake and 2nd gear. We go now outside the corner and I put here 3 gear, and here we brake in 2nd gear. This is the more longer corner, so we're still in 2nd, and here more or less I put 3 gear, and here I start to brake in 2nd gear. And in this straight I'm going to be in 3rd gear all the time, and here I have to brake a lot, so I put 2nd gear and I open the corner. So here we have a lot of traffic, but here is 3rd gear, and in this corner I have to brake a lot and it's 2nd gear. And we open 3rd gear, and here we arrive to Achican and in 3rd gear, and I am still in 3rd gear, and in the last corner is I have to brake a lot, so we put 2nd gear and I have to brake here, second and 3rd again and 4, and this is my lap. Thank you and see you on the track.